Hello everyone, welcome to day 21 of our CapCut editing tutorial. I am super excited again and again and again and again. Today, as you can see, we are going to talk about how to convert our text to audio in CapCut. And this one is mostly for people that are shy, camera shy, they don't want to show their face, or you want to start a faceless channel. This is another way for you to copy all your text, what you want to say in that video. You want to turn it to an audio for by yourself in CapCut. So that is what we are going to say. We are going to talk about today. So if you are ready, then let's jump right into my phone. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So we are in my phone, and then what are we going to do in this situation? Now that I have imported my video, this is the video I want to use. I want to use in vertical this time around. We are not going to do horizontal again. So what we are going to do is you go back to your notes where you have pasted or you have written everything that you want to convert to audio. So I'm going back to my notes. As you can see, I'm going here to copy it. Okay, I want to copy my notes. I'll copy it because that's the notes I wanted to use. Copy, then I'll go back to CapCut. Now that I'm back in CapCut, what I just need to go is you see this add audio. Okay, you tap on add audio to bring you here. Only thing that you need is just to come to this text to audio. Just tap on text to audio. It will bring you this interface. Okay, then once you're in this interface, just tap on it. You paste your words, everything that you want, you paste it there. Okay, once you have pasted there, this place you have the opportunity to edit it. Maybe there's still more things you want to add, or you want to subtract away from it again. If everything is fine, okay, then you can now tap on apply. Once you tap on apply, once you get here, you cannot edit again. It's just for you to choose a voice. So you can scroll around. If there's voice, you listen to them. You can add more voices, okay, to it. You can listen to them one by one. Peaceful female, let's see.
Hey creators, want tea?
So this is the voice. To listen to which voice that you want. Okay, I think I love that again. I love that, creators. Let me see, Queen.
Hey creators, want tea?
So anyone, it is you, just test it out to look for which one you want. Okay, I tap on OK because I'm satisfied with that one there. Okay, and you can decide to add avatar to it. It's your choice. Avatar, they are free again, so you can look around and see which avatar did you want. Change to AI avatar voice. Okay, this is just a voice, it's not an avatar. So if you want, you can change it to another person. Let me see.
Hey creators, want tea?
Okay, so that is that person, that's the voice of that person. So I can decide to, or you can choose voiceover. This is your choice of which one you want out of the two. So you can choose one. Let's just stay in one here, and I will choose this one. I will uncheck the avatar. Okay,
Hey creators, want tea?
okay, so different voices. It's you that you will check. If you are a man also, you can check your
Hey create.
You can see.
Hey creators, want.
So you can see.
Hey creators, want tea?
Okay, so I will choose this one. Then I will remove the avatar. I don't want the avatar. I will leave it in voice note. Then you come up here. Next, explore everything. It's your own. Then you tap on this next here. So you can tell them split the word, or you can say don't split. So me, I will choose split. So you wait for it to generate by itself. It will convert everything. So you can see that it has generated it. So before you listen to it, you can come to this style here. You come down here and click on style. So you can choose
Hey creators,
you want. So you can see this style. I want this style. This style. I click on OK. So I will click on regenerate the speech again because I've changed the style. So it said it has been updated. So tap on one and move it wherever you want it. If you want it up, if you want it down, it is your choice. So what you are going to do is just play along with it, and let's listen to it now.
hey creators, Want to edit like a pro and make your content stand out? I've got something special for you. Asterisk asterisk free 30-day editing tutorial series asterisk.
So you can see he said asterisk. I don't want all this asterisk here. I'm going to delete them. So you remove it. I don't want you to produce to pronounce this asterisk here. So that is how you are going to learn how to edit. Okay, you can remove. You can remove. I don't want all this saying asterisk here. Anything I don't want it to say, you come back and edit it. So let's regenerate it again and let's play it again.
Hey creators, want to edit like a pro and make your content stand out? I've got something special for you. Free 30-day editing tutorial series.
Because there is space. Maybe that's why I choose split. Maybe I should have choose don't split. Okay, so you can see I bring it then back together by myself so that I don't want the split again. So the split will not, you see, it's pausing and pausing and pausing and pausing. So with that split, that is what it's doing. So what you do, you just be adjusting it with your hand by yourself. So let's listen to it
Creators,
now.
want to edit like a pro and make your content stand out? I've got something special for you. Free 30-day editing tutorial series. In this series, I'll guide you step by step through everything. Basic cuts to get started, smooth transitions for that professional touch, advanced effects to wow your audience, insider tips for tools CapCut, and InShot. It doesn't matter if you're new to editing or looking to upgrade. Your skills this series is for you.
So that is how to do it. You see that I'm doing it one by one. I'm not rushing it. You do the same thing. Don't rush it. That is how it works. So it's helping me to put that space split. I can just write follow for more tips if I want to, but I don't need that. So convert so everything is fine now. So
Hey creators, want to edit like a pro and make your content stand out? I've got something special for you. Free 30-day editing tutorial series. In this series, I'll guide you step by step through everything. Basic cuts to get started, smooth transitions for that professional touch, advanced effects to wow your audience, insider tips for tools CapCut, and InShot. It doesn't matter if you're new to editing or looking to upgrade. Your skills this series is for you. And the best part, it's completely free but only for the next 30 days. So don't miss your chance. Hit subscribe right now, turn on notifications, and start your journey to mastering video editing. Let's transform your videos and take your content to the next level. I'll see you in the first tutorial.
So you can see easy, duper easy. I'm loving it. I'm enjoying it. And even me too that I'm teaching it. I'm enjoying myself. I won't lie to you guys. I'm enjoying myself. So I'm really enjoying myself. So it is, you see that it is easy to follow step by step. Apply to all caption. I don't want you to apply to all caption. Regenerate, and then you can see we have come to the end of today's tutorial as well. If you're enjoying it, let me know in the comment section, and that is the only way you can say okay, you have really done best. Let's give you this subscribe, let's give you thumbs up, let's give you love, let's comment so that YouTube can recommend this video to many more people that might need this. So my name still remains Gani, and this is your one and only Grow with Gani, where you can take your YouTube channel to the next level, where you can enjoy the benefits and get to monetization fast. I'm here to help you. If you need help, don't hesitate to reach out to me on my IG handle. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.